on your website, every individual page of your website. See, your website will have few hundreds of web pages. So let's take this. This website has thousands of web pages. And now every web page is different. One page is speaking about digital marketing, another web page is speaking about Java, and some other page is speaking about .NET. Right? Now you specific to it. If you are making a communication on the web page, right? So see, all this doesn't come by developer. All these are not implemented by website developer. Website developer just takes care of very few things. His main concern is, has he done the front end as per the expectations or not. So this information what you see here, or maybe let's go to one of the course, let's take it as digital marketing. See, all these details what you see here, it's none of his business. He doesn't really care about what is being shown here. You see that, right? And it doesn't even care about what has been shown here. Digital marketing training, digital marketing course certification. He doesn't care about what has been shown here, here, and many other places on the web page. Now, so this will be the job of SEO professionals. So what SEO professionals does is they'll understand what is this web page, and specific to this web page, they try to bring in all the relevant information, right? All the relevant information, including, so if it is digital marketing, so what should be the price of the course? What should be the course fee? Or it can be any other details pertaining to this. Everything will be planned by, I mean, mostly the marketing and the selling elements, the titles. This is the title, right? Let me show it to you. Yeah. So this is title. Not only this, any website that you take, this is title, and this is meta description. This is title, and this is meta description. See, every web page, see, if you have to get traction from Google, you have to show some interesting information to people, right? Soft skills training for sales professionals, right? Soft skills training in Nairobi, right? So you have to show something interesting to the people. That's when people will click. If you're just showing soft skills, nothing much, no training, nothing at all, the chances of people clicking on your website results will be negligible, right? So now this is the opportunity way which you can utilize and make sure that people will click on your website results. So coming to the web page, the title and description that you see on the Google will not be visible anywhere here on the page. They are usually hidden, which will be in the head section of the HTML. Anything that goes in the head information for Google bots or search engines, okay, or for the browsers. We all discussed in our previous classes. A HTML web page is built in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and HTML has head section and body section, correct? Whatever goes in the body section will start from the left top, and whatever is ending. So now this HTML page is ending within the body tags, right? And in the head tags, whatever you put, it's an information to Google bot. Control F, HEAD, right? Or maybe oh sorry, it's title in the head tag. Yeah, you see here, this is the title, and here you see the description as well. Keywords, description. See what you see here on the Google. Here this is title and this is description, mainly for people to see and click on your website results. That is one purpose, and second purpose is Google will understand what is your web page based on this information. So when Googlebot comes to your web page, it sees this title and description and decides what is this web page about. It's something like the cover and the title of the book outside the book. Just by reading the title, sometimes you will be able to understand what is that book about, right? Correct, isn't it? Same way now, bots, when they see this title and description, they understand what is this web page about, and they utilize that information to show up on the Google page. Whatever they are understanding, they are showing up here. Now that information is going to be unique from page to page, right? So SEO professionals will decide what should be the description, what should be the title of the page based on the keywords that they decide to rank. This is digital marketing training, correct? So people now, digital marketer or searching SEO professional, expect this web page to show up for digital marketing training, digital marketing course, digital marketing institute, digital marketing training institute, digital marketing certification, digital marketing classes, right? So these are the keywords that they expect this web page to show up. Using those terms, they write the title, they write the description, they write the H1, this is H1, this is H1, this is H1, right? And since this is about digital marketing, they take care of all the information is about digital marketing, right? And anything that you implement on the web page specific to that page, unique to that page, and that way you take care of every single web page on the website, intending to make it rank for a defined set of keywords, that is on-page SEO, right? So anything that you implement on this web page which is unique or specific to that web page is called as on-page SEO. You will be doing multiple things. Even this information is something from you. You might suggest change of this information, or you might optimize it, or you might do something about it. Now, if you look at this logo, whichever page you go, this is going to be same, correct? Now I'm switching to the home page. This is going to be the same, right? See, this way there are certain things which are common across the website, which doesn't change from page to page, but it will be the same across the website, such as breadcrumbs, rich snippets, schema code, XML sitemap, HTML sitemap, robots.txt. There are a couple of things. You will not understand them now what they are, but eventually you will understand. So only the blind thumb rule for now is anything that's implemented and it's applicable for the complete website, not to one specific web page. It's a site level implementation or site level SEO, right? And anything that you implement specific to the web page, one web page, each web page, and which is unique to that page, it's an on-page SEO, right? And anything that you implement, it's related to the technicalities of your website, hosting, servers, the coding practices. So dealing with the technical aspects of your website is called as technical SEO. Okay, so which deals with the database content rendering from database to your website front end, HTML coding practices, HTML writing practices, optimization of your website for quick load times. Quick load times. Your website has to load quickly, and taking care of all those kinds of implementations is technical SEO. And anything that you do outside of your website in order to indirectly that's going to help your website perform on Google. Anything that's implemented outside of your website, something like backlink, we were discussing it in the previous class, backlink building, or you posting about your business on social media. You're speaking about your business, but it's not implemented or done on your website. It's you're pushing it on Facebook, Instagram, right? Quora or somewhere else, right? Any activity that's performed outside of your website on the internet pertaining to your website in order to either improve the crawl frequency or leads or repetition or all of them is known as off-page SEO. Site level SEO is technical SEO, is all about understanding the technical aspects of the website and implementing the best practices as per the search engine norms in order to improve the performance of the content delivered on the website. Technical SEO deals with optimization of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, the coding practices, the queries to database and data handling, the API's configuration, content rendering, and impact of the same on the performance and SEO. Okay, so now it's a bit difficult for you to understand these terminologies, but once we get in depth of this, so these are at the top level. I'm defining the different types of SEO. That's all. Okay, we will be getting started with on-page SEO today, and that might take a couple of classes, a week of classes probably. On-page and site level SEO will take at least a week of time. Okay, so what is this on-page SEO? The SEO implementations, or simply instead of SEO, you call it as the implementations are practices which are unique to the web page, and this activity aims at optimizing every single web page for defined set of keywords and takes care of marketing and selling elements on the website, which basically contributes for the improvement of all the three metrics such as crawl stats, CTR, and engagement. On-page SEO mainly focuses on keyword allocation to the web pages, keyword optimized title, description, H1, alt tags and the content, and it focuses on marketing tactics and selling elements on the web page. The best communication you make in order to sell the product or service on the web page. This is similar to an effort that a salesperson puts. Salesperson, you must have seen, right, how they put the effort in selling the product or service, right? So same is the effort that happens on each of the web page. If it is a page that's speaking about mangoes, you will try to pitch in mangoes, right? If you're selling mangoes, how will you speak? The mango is nice, the mango is sweet, there are 20 varieties of mangoes with us. We sell this many tons of mangoes every year. We are one of the best seller, right? These are some of the selling elements. And marketing things, the tactical marketing would be something like if you're buying 10 kgs, you will get it 20 at 20% discount. Or if you're buying today, you will get just 10 rupees per kg or 50 rupees per kg, right? So these, see, I'm taking a very raw example here to make you understand marketing and selling elements on the web page. And on the web page, it's not going to be that way. We are going to understand how it's going to be. Okay. Keyword optimized title, description, H1, all tags and content. So just now I showed you, this is the title. See, ignite your potential with the Premier Hub for Learning. So now this is your title. Description is not visible anywhere here. It's visible only on the Google search results, or you have to go to the source code and description is put up here. And this is what is being shown here on the Google. That is description, and this is H1. And for every image, how do Google understand this is he or she? Or if this person has some name, how will Google understand this person? Right? There is something called as alt attribute. We're going to get in depth of it, right? So now on-page SEO is all about dealing with allocation of the keywords. It's like assigning responsibility to each page for which keywords they have to show up on the Google. A mango page shouldn't be showing up for banana search, right? And banana page shouldn't be showing up for pomegranate, and pomegranate should show only for pomegranate. Correct? So keyword allocation is about that. Yeah. A site level SEO is in general an implementation that's applicable to the complete website or to the most parts of the website, or ideally an instruction or detail about the website to the search engines. Most of the site level SEO implementations are also on page SEO. Okay. See, now any implementations that's applicable to every web page on the website is a site level implementation, such as breadcrumbs, rich snippets, XML and HTML sitemap, UI, UX, the site level marketing and selling elements, robot.txt, and there could be many more, right? At top level, you just understand the top level segregation of SEO. Okay. So we will get started with on page SEO today. Okay. See, the on-page SEO, the first thing we have mentioned is keyword allocations to the web page. I have to see when let's assume you got this website, new website. Let's assume this is a new website. It's been provided by your boss, manager, or you are the owner of the company, and you just launched this website. Correct? What is your first step? So your first step is going to be, let's assume the technical aspects of site level implementation on in-page, or we are going to start with on-page SEO. So the first thing will be deciding for which terms or keywords this web page should be ranking. So since this web page is all about trainings, right? So it can speak about IT courses, training and certification can be the title of this page. But you are not supposed to write it just like that. And for this page, leading safe certification training is the term that you can use. It's loading still. Leading safe certification training. See now here, look at this. It's written as safe agile 6 certification, leading safe training. See, first thing is you have to understand how is your product searched on Google, right? And second thing would be allocation of all the search variations to the web page. And then using them, you will start optimizing. Okay, so the first activity in the SEO will be first understanding how your product or service is being searched on Google. Okay, so to understand that, so will you be able to tell how many people search digital marketing training on Google every month? So now a person would have written just Humpy Tours and Travels, correct? Correct. So now he can optimize his website for travel agency, tours and travels, travel company, correct? Correct. Best tours and travels. His website or web page will start ranking up for all of these keywords. That's a different thing. We'll get into it. So now, whenever you get see, if you are doing a keyword research, understanding all your keyword research is not yet done. Your keyword research is not yet done. You have just downloaded one file. Our keyword researches will be as extensive as few thousands or lakhs of keywords. Now this has hardly 3000 keywords, 2929. To the right bottom, you see right 2929. That is 2928 keywords are there. So now I'll be growing this list. So for that, what I'll do is click on this data and click on sort it. So now there are search volumes 20, 100, 200, 10, right? I want to understand which has highest number of searches on Google. So this is searched by 49,500 people every month. This is average of 12 months. Here is the 12 months information. You see here, this is 12 months information. And during this particular season, May, 60,500 people have searched on Google. And then November, December, and Jan is low. November and December has more number of searches. Okay. So now if you look at the total search volume of all this, maybe I'll do it this way. $1.8 million people are searching about their travel planning only on Google. About their travel planning, 1.8 million people, that is 18 lakh people, are searching every month about their travel planning from India. It's not just 1.1, it's not just 1.8 million. We are not done with the complete research yet, right? Valentine's Day weekend specials, Valentine's getaway deals near me, hotel breaks. So great late deals package holidays. Okay, people are using different terms. You see that good tour packages, great vacation tours, right? So let's do our research completely. For that, what I do is I'm going to put this in the descending order. Highest volume will be in the first and lowest volume it keeps in that order. Okay, I'll sort it on Z to A. Look at this. So travel companies near me, travel agency near me, tours and travels, travel agency. We have fed some of these keywords already. So MMT is make my trip. Tour packages, we have fed this keyword. European holiday packages. Shardham Yatra package, Euro trip package, Maldives holiday packages. Let's feed these keywords as well. So I'm going to remove this. I want more keywords, right? So what I'll do, European holiday packages. So people are searching IRCTC tour packages as well. World tour package. Solo trips. Tour operators. We haven't fed the tour operator stuff. Okay. So this way I can I can pick 10 more keywords and I can start trip itinerary planner. This is also very good keyword. So 2 days trip. So people search 2 nights, 3 days, 3 nights, 2 days, something like that as well. You can feed all such terms. So I just wanted to show you this tool. That's why I'm not really feeding everything like that. So this gave you another 2373 keywords. See here first always it displays your root seed keywords. So the keyword which you input is called as seed keyword, and out of this few seed keywords It has given you 2370 plus keywords, correct? See now, solo travel for women is another keyword. European vacation packages, solo trips for women, group travel companies, weekend trips, best travel agency. See, you could have never thought of having a page on your website, group travel, correct? Now, when you understand that people are searching like solo tours, did you ever think of that people that as a business? Did you ever think of that you have to launch a page called solo travel? The chances of you putting a page for solo travel are negligible because you cannot think of it. But the moment you see this 4,400 people every month are searching for solo travel, not 4,400, there will be many. If you combine all solo travels, there will be many, right? So are you all getting it? How to understand how your product or business has been searched on Google? Now, as a SEO professional, your responsibility will be to make this all for all these keywords. You have to make your website rank or show up on the Google, and that happens only when you speak about this on the website. When you have a page pertaining to that, it's something like this. You are not saving my contact on your phone, and you are trying to find my contact on your phone. Without saving, how will it show? Correct? Right? So exactly the same happens here. Without you creating a web page on your website, without you creating a contact us about us, how can you try to find a contact us and about us page on your website? Same way, without you creating a solo travel destinations page, how can you expect your website to show up for solo travel destination searches on Google? Without you creating honeymoon packages page on your website, how can you expect your website to show up on Google? Even if you put all the keywords on one page, it's not going to show up. You cannot literally optimize your web page for few hundreds of thousands of keywords. Okay, are you all getting it, guys? So now we did not download this. Let's quickly download this file as well. Okay, so anything to be added? Trip planning tool, get results, and then I'll also add tourism company. So it crossed 3,300 keywords again. So let me download this CSV. So we continued this activity. We iterate this multiple times like this. So from the sheet, we every time pick different set of keywords, and we start adding more and more keywords to the sheet. So now I'll tell you what we're going to do from this. So I'll download this. So it got downloaded. Open it. So what I'll do is I'll copy everything from this, and I'm going to paste it here. Already 2,900 plus keywords are there. Here again I'm going to paste and remove this. So now your list is huge. It's 6,220, but this might have some duplicates, correct? First iteration, first file you downloaded and second file you downloaded, both might have some common things. Let's say trip, right? So how do you eliminate it? There is an easy method. Just click on this, click on data, and then click on this remove duplicates. Click on this remove duplicates, and 201 duplicate values found and removed. 6,019 unique values remain. Note that counts may include empty cell spaces, etc. Okay, that is fine. So 201 duplicate terms were there, and it all have gone away. Again, sort Z to A. So now you got many more keywords, correct? International holiday packages. We did not feed this keyword at all. International travel packages, international holiday packages. When you input these terms, you will get more keywords related to it, and this way you can grow your list to a significant number. Okay, so now if you are about to launch a website, about to start a website which doesn't have anything except the home page, only one page. Now this file, this research is going to educate you about how people are searching on Google and types of pages that you can launch on your website. I can launch a page called Maldives holiday packages. So Maldives is here, destination, insert, and Maldives here is destination, correct? From this I got an idea. People are searching with the name of destination. People are searching with the name of destinations. Instead of Maldives, it can be now any names. Bangkok, holiday packages, correct? Singapore, holiday packages. Europe, holiday packages. So now I can pick some 200, 500 names across the globe and I can launch 500 different web pages. Holiday, Maldives holiday packages, Maldives tour packages. So now if you search Maldives, oh, it's only one. Okay, anyways, our keyword research is not complete still. So if I input this Maldives, let's see what kind of keywords we are going to get. See now, if you are creating a new page on your website, you can optimize your web page for all these terms like Maldives holiday packages, holiday all inclusive, cheap Maldives holidays, tour packages, Maldives tour packages. See, Maldives vacation deals, mail trip packages. So people are searching something like this also. Mail tourism package, mail trip package. So now people are searching with the name of resorts, not resorts, themes, Malaysia beach resort, Malaysia luxury beach resort, right? See the 3730 keywords. You can download this as well. Let's download. So this is what we downloaded now. Again, I'm removing the duplicates. Only one duplicate found. All are unique. If you see the total search volume, it is 3 million search volume. 3 million people are searching every month. Now this is not even complete. See now we have seen only Maldives. People search Malaysia, Singapore, Bangkok, Thailand, correct? China, many places on the earth, correct? So now practically, see, ideally speaking, you don't have to do all that level of keyword research also now. You just have to understand the themes. People search by destinations like Malaysia, Bangkok, Thailand, correct? So people search Europe, people search as cheap, people search as uh, solo. This is another theme. Solo, men, women, kids, group. People search in the name of travel agents, Akbar travel agents, and some other. There are different names as well. So you can introduce or launch IRCTC packages also you can put on your website. If you're an aggregator, think of you're an aggregator and you expect or hope your website to show up on Google for everything that you see people searching on Google, right? So now similarly what we had done in the morning was we had downloaded data for weight loss. Yeah. So look at the same way we downloaded and we categorize the data as category and patterns. What is here pattern? A pattern is which is expecting, which is expressing the intention of the search. People are looking for drink or powder or tablets here. So people are either looking for a drink. See, buy mango. Guys, are you all following it?
Yes.
Is it boring?
Yeah.
It's boring, Sneha, right?
No. I was just answering that.
Okay. So
It's
we'll
little
to
detailed kind
to
of
make your
basic.
sleep go away. Let's quickly do an activity. Let's put all of your names here, one by one. I want your names.
Put Sneha.
Yeah.
Priya.
Then
Praveen.
then
Sir Marvin.
Marvin. Then
Asaklesh.
Shailesh. Then Gautam. Gautam has joined. No. Ah, Taufik. TOUF. Ah, that's all. Q. Taufik Q. Taufik. Taufik. Yeah. Get results. 3, 4, 5, 6 names. So, any guess who will be searched most on the internet now? Google. Any guess, guys? Whose name will be most searched? Priya is more. Why? No, why? Reason you have to back it up, right? Okay.
Because it's common.
Common. Excuse me. Oh, both are same man. But look at this. Neha is growing month on month, 23% growth. Year on year, Priya name is dropping by 18 percentage.
Oh my god. I was not knowing this. I am so famous.
No, you are not famous. Your name is famous. There will be some celebrities with these names.
Yeah.
So Praveen 27,000, Marvin 2,400, Sailesh 1,100. Let me put my name also. Why to leave mine?
I think your name will come first.
No.
Sir, my name spelling is wrong, sir.
Whose name?
My name.
Who is that? Mine. Who is that person?
Sailesh.
Ah, yeah, tell me your name, Sailesh.
SHAI.
SHAI
LESH.
L
LESH.
Shailesh. But still, after correcting, also you cannot beat Priya and Sneha, man.
I know.
Okay. Sailesh is 12,100 now. Okay. So Marvin, Gautam. Now, wait 1 second. Now, look at this. What's been searched around your names? Marvin replacement Windows. Marvin Infinity Windows. See, there is a person who is doing this work, Windows work, by name Marvin. Okay, Marvin is fine. Let's see other names. How many? 707 keywords. Hey, Marvin, lot of searches. Dr. Praveen Yelamanchi. Praveen, who is that? Devi Prasad Shetty. No. Somebody, some doctor is also there. Dr. Sailesh Pandey. He is a famous doctor, I guess. That's why Sailesh name total together. Priya's Indian Kitchen. Praveen Chandra Medanta. Priya Garlic Pickle. So Priya, mostly Priya searches will be for Priya Pickles. See what is it showing? So some of your names are there in Bollywood, and it's suggesting few more Bollywood names: Nisha, Syed, Sanjeev. So Sanjeev again, it's not Sanjeev. Okay. So now you have no clue what you should be writing about if you are opening up a blog. So this research will help you that if you are speaking about all these kinds of topics like Bollywood, there will be so many terms. Say 3045 keywords. Bollywood, 4,50,000 searches for Bollywood every month. Hindi song, units 10, 100,000, 10,000 lakh, 10 lakh, 1 million searches Hindi song on Google. Drishyam to Hindi, 8,100 searches. See, you see the competition, you see the CPCs, it's easier to rank for some of these topics. Amazon Prime Hindi movies, no competition, your website can easily rank up on Google, but you would not get business. If somebody is searching Amazon Prime Hindi, they'll click on Amazon only, nothing else. But there are many other which can get lots of traffic. Tiger Jinda Hai, Shahid Kapoor, 5,50,000 searches, much higher than Sneha and Priya. Okay, so you all understood how this tool is useful. Is this data going to be useful of any use? It's utterly of no use for us at this moment because we are searching something irrelevant, not relating to any business, right? Or you are not even planning of doing something, correct? Correct, guys? So now you cannot utilize this data or you cannot make anything out of this data. Maybe you will still get some insight what people are searching. Hangama music. What is Hangama music? Bollywood dance, Bollywood news, Marvin historic windows. Okay, so you have lot many such searches. Okay, let's quickly proceed. Yeah, you all understood, right? Some of your sleep would have gone away now. Yeah. Okay, so coming back. So now what we have done is, see, same way your product will be searched like that on Google, right? So now that's what we did exactly. So we had just inputted few terms like weight loss product, and it gave us nearly 6,000 keywords, and we started categorizing them. Okay, so we can categorize this also now. Let's take it as, how do we categorize this? So apply the filter shortcuts, it's Control Shift L. So what I'll do is I'll type flights. I'm curious to know how many people are looking for flight booking. So all this contains flight. I'll exclude now flight. I'll just deal with this, everything that's marked trip. So now I'm interested to know how many people are searching for honeymoon packages. Very few. You all remember we had fed terms like romantic as well. So there's so many. 464 keywords, right bottom. Do you all see that? How people are searching? So let me go through this again. I'll get an idea. IRCTC. I'm interested to know IRCTC. All these are IRCTC. So did you ever think of that people will be using these many variations for IRCTC 353 variations? And this research is not yet complete. IRCTC packages, IRCTC tour, trips, tourism, Char Dham Yatra, Chardham Yatra, Vaishno Devi package, international tour pack, IRCTC international tour packages. How? I don't know, man. What people that people search, not everything will have meaning. I'm interested to see how many European. European also you might find a lot. Yeah. 114 keywords. You all understood this way we categorized in the morning. I'll just go to that sheet again. So this way we have categorized category and categorized patterns. Patterns could be tour, trip, travel, different terms. Okay. And using this data we have plotted. So I'm keen to know how it's being searched now. I mean, I'm supposed to predict which has most number of searches. Maybe let's go with this only, not morning data. Let me go with this. Are there anything uh, make my trip? All I'm curious to know who all are using MMT. So now I realized, okay, let me not, if we do this, it might take several hours, days also, categorizing this way, but at least I'm getting an idea. I can launch European tour packages a page. I can launch something like IRCTC or flight or maybe make my trip. So different things. Solo, we forgot about solo. Solo, men, women is all solo. Okay, 398. I was supposed to pick only this. Now I'll try finding man, woman. Okay. So now once you categorize all the data like this, so you want to summarize which has been most searched. You can simply click on insert, select all the data, click on insert, click on pivot table, click OK. Now this is category, not currency. I have to rewrite it. So how many keywords are there? Now search volume, average monthly searches. Okay. So now quickly with this data I summarized. Let's assume this is not INR. Let me copy this separately here. So this is category. This is keyword count. This is search volume, number of people searching it. Now I am able to predict this is ABC, something, some category. Okay. So I am able to tell ABC has this many keywords and this many searches are happening. I will be able to tell IRCTC. Now let's take this as example of how many people are searching for mango, banana, apple, grapes, pomegranate, and uh, so you were curious to know which fruit has been most searched on the internet, and now it is telling that. See, I'm taking this as an example simply to help you understand. Now let's assume if you have really done research for the fruits, we could have done that one only. It would have been easy. So now we understand from this data, mango is most searched on the Google. Banana is the second highest searched, right? Fruit name, fruit category, or something that you want. So now I can plot a graph using this. I'll summarize this. I'll give a graphical presentation for this as well, which is searched most and which is searched lowest. I can use any kind of graph. Okay, so this is pie chart, this is bar graph. 67% of the searches are happening for weight loss. Slimming, again, how much percentage? It is 6%. Burning, just 5%, right? So just because I did the keyword research, I continued doing this as well, which was not needed for today's class. You would have learned all of this in the presentations part, right? Our main goal is to understand how is our product searched. See, now this person who is selling, this business owner, did not had idea about people search. They should launch page like tablets, powder, tea, drinks, right? And on doing this keyword research, they got an idea. Okay, and moreover, what we do is these keywords we will start grouping. All related to mango will be one group, all related to papaya will be one group, all apple related will be one group. So we will do the keyword allocations and we will optimize the web pages one by one. We don't have to optimize your web page. See, now let's say there are banana related, there are 300 keywords. Should you be incorporating all 300 keywords to the web page? No, you don't have to do that. You will be picking only the seed keywords, and these keywords can trigger all those 300 keywords. We will pick the keywords in such a way that these keywords are going to trigger every other keyword. Okay. So did you all understood? Did you all get that how to do the keyword research?
Yes.
So right this moment you won't be able to relate much, but eventually you will understand why did we do this keyword research. I could have started backward, writing the web pages titles and descriptions, and that's when we would have realized how do we write, and then we would have come to keyword research. Okay. So, but then remember this. This is how you have to do the keyword research and segregate the data as category. Category will be basically apple, mango, papaya will be category. Patterns will be buy, order, online, shopping, types, difference, meaning. See, always category will be the different product names, and pattern will be that's expressing intention. Do they want to buy or do they want to understand the differences? Do they want to know the meaning? So when they put buy, their intention is to buy. When they put meaning, their intention is to understand the meaning of it. When they put types, their intention is to understand the 20 different types of mangoes. Correct? See, a term with your product name, which is basically indicates what are they expecting, is always called as pattern. Okay. So we'll understand more about this in the coming classes. So tomorrow what we'll be doing is using these terms, we'll start optimizing the web pages. How do we pick the right keywords for your web page? How do we write titles, descriptions, H1s, alt tags, the SEO content? Everything we are going to get started with one by one. Okay?
Sure.
Yeah? So I guess it was not that interesting for most of you because you don't know the purpose of it, right? You'll understand it eventually. Okay. Anybody has questions? Yeah, Praveen.
Sir, for generic keywords, how can we rank it? Because
How can we?
For generic keywords,
Huh.
how can we rank for generic keywords? Because it is having the research for the competition.
We will discuss this in tomorrow's class, Praveen.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any other questions apart from that? Because optimization we are discussing tomorrow, you will get to know how do we make to website to rank for generic keyword. Okay. See, keyword ranking mainly depends on the intention, right? So we have discussed one of the key metric or parameter is about banana. This web page will not rank on Google regardless of the number of keywords you incorporate because you're incorporating wrong details. This example. Okay. So just mobile, mobile. What is that user looking for when the site type mobile? Are they looking for meaning of the mobile? Are they looking for mobile phone? Do they want to buy a phone, or will you think your web page will show up on the Google even though your apple.com page will fall down and you cannot rank for the generic keyword ever? If you are meeting all the expectations of the user, you will make a progress. You will be able to rank on Google. That is keyword intention. Keyword intention is they are looking for multiple brands. That's their expectation or intention. Correct? They are looking for varying price ranges, not the higher level only. Correct? You understood, Praveen? We'll anyways discuss that in depth further. You can rank for generic keyword also, but you have to make sure that you provide information accordingly. Your business pages cannot rank if you are not really providing all the information needed. Okay? Yeah. Can we wind it up for today if no one has questions?
Yeah, sure.
So please go through the morning class recording as well. You will all get a better understanding. Okay. So that's been a different approach in explaining. It will be uploaded today night. Go through that recording. Even this will be uploaded. This will be uploaded mostly tomorrow. Okay. It has to render. Okay. We'll wind it up,
Okay,
guys.
thank you.
Yeah. Yeah.